Banking, ATM, Public Transport and Post Office English Part 7. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I'm Isha. I'm so happy you're here again. Today, we're going to learn English for everyday situations. Imagine you're at a bank, using an ATM, traveling by bus, or visiting a post office. These conversations are simple, useful, and very common. So, relax, listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak confidently. Let's begin. Lesson 47, Bank Conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I'd like to open a bank account. Certainly. May I have your ID, please? Here it is. Thank you. What type of account would you like? A savings account, please. Please fill out this form. Sure. Thank you. Your account will be ready today. That's great. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Now repeat the conversation. Excellent. Lesson 48, ATM Conversation. Imagine you're using an ATM. Insert your card. Enter your PIN. Select your language. Choose cash withdrawal. Enter the amount. Confirm the transaction. Please collect your cash. Don't forget your card. Thank you. Repeat after me. Insert your card. Enter your PIN. Collect your cash. Excellent. Lesson 49, Public Transport. Imagine you're at a bus station. Excuse me. Which bus goes to the city center? Bus number 12. Thank you. How much is the ticket? It's $2. Here's the money. Thank you. Where should I get off? At the central station. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a safe journey. Excellent. Lesson 50, Post Office Conversation. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How can I help you? I'd like to send this parcel. Where would you like to send it? To Mumbai. Would you like standard or express delivery? Express, please. Please write the address here. Sure. How much is the postage? It's $5. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Excellent. Lesson 51, Daily Vocabulary. Today's words. Bank, bank. Account, account. Deposit, deposit. Withdraw, withdraw. Balance, balance. Parcel, parcel. Ticket, ticket. Journey, journey. Repeat after me. I want to open a bank account. I need to withdraw some money. I'd like to send a parcel. I bought a bus ticket. Wonderful. Lesson 52, Pronunciation Practice. Repeat after me. Account, balance, deposit, withdraw, journey, parcel, station, express. Excellent. Speak slowly and clearly. Lesson 53, Listening Practice. Now just listen. Yesterday, I visited the bank to deposit some money into my savings account. After that, I went to the ATM to withdraw some cash. In the afternoon, I took a bus to the city center. Before going home, I visited the post office to send a parcel to my friend. It was a busy but productive day. Now answer. Why did he visit the bank? To deposit money. Where did he go after the ATM? He went to the city center by bus. Excellent. Lesson 54, Speaking Confidence. Repeat after me. I speak English with confidence. I can ask for help politely. I learn new words every day. I communicate clearly. Every lesson makes me stronger. I enjoy learning English. I believe in myself. I never stop practicing. Wonderful. Keep smiling. You're doing an amazing job. Congratulations. You've completed another English speaking lesson. If you've watched this lesson until the end, you're making great progress. Every conversation you practice helps you become more confident in real-life situations. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep improving. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more English speaking lessons, vocabulary practice, pronunciation exercises, interview English, and real-life conversations for you. In the next lesson, we'll practice English at the airport, railway station, taxi, and immigration with more useful conversations for travel and daily life. Thank you so much for learning with me. I'm Isha. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.